How to block specific websites on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Screen Time. Within the Screen Time menu, locate the Content and Privacy Restrictions option under the Restrictions section. Make sure the main toggle for Content and Privacy Restrictions is turned on. Inside this menu, find and tap on the App Store, Media, Web and Games option. Here, scroll down a bit to find and tap on Web Content. You will see the current restriction level. Change the settings from unrestricted to limit adult websites. For more control, you can customize access by adding websites. Tap on Add Website under Never Allow to manually block specific URLs. In the URL field, type the full web address of the website you wish to block, and then tap Done at the bottom right corner. The website will now appear in your restricted list under the Never Allow option. Following these steps, you can easily block specific websites on an iPhone.